Hey everyone, my name is Caleb Jansons and thank you for joining me for another Connex security camera video. Today we're going to be talking about an absolute beast of a security camera, and that is the Smart Wi-Fi 1080p PTZ IP outdoor camera. This security camera feels just like a Swiss Army knife, giving you every single gadget and tool that you need to ensure your family's security and safety. The security camera excels with full HD footage that is 1080p that is constantly filming 24/7. You can access the live footage via your Connex Connect app, and you can see recorded footage via the SD card that you can insert into the camera. I mentioned the app already, but it is available on both iOS and Android devices. You can get your notifications directly to your phone, ensuring that you have 24/7 security. There is motion detection software embedded in the camera that will send you a notification directly to your mobile device every time motion is detected on screen. Auto tracking software is also designed directly into the use of the camera, so you can ensure that all subjects of interest will always be in clear sight. Not only that, this camera is waterproof, so can withstand some pretty harsh conditions. This camera has great infrared software. This camera also comes with a 15-watt spotlight, ensuring that nothing, even in the darkest nights, can sneak past you. With a huge focus on security, this camera also ensures that there is two-way audio functionality so that you can communicate with those on the other side. But that's enough about me talking about this camera. Let's take a look at it together. In the box, we received the camera itself, as well as a charging cable and some additional screws and other peripherals to assist in the installation of your camera. Connecting to the Connex app is incredibly simple and follows 3 easy steps. Step 1, download the app. Step 2, plug in your camera. Step 3, connect the camera to your app. To download the app, simply head over to your app store and download the Connex Connect app. Once the app is downloaded, plug in your camera to a power source. Open the Connex Connect app and select Add Device. Select Smart Tech Cameras and follow the on-screen prompts. First, reset your device. Select a Wi-Fi network and then use the security camera to scan the QR code. The app will connect the camera to the smart device. The lights will help you understand the steps you need to follow. If the light is flashing blue rapidly, that means the camera is turning on. If the light is flashing blue steadily, that means the camera is connecting. And finally, if the light is a solid blue, that means the camera will soon connect. And there you have a working security camera. Thank you so much for watching this video, and remember, stay safe with Connex.